Okay, so tell me again what happened to your left great toe.
I was at the barber shop.
Barber shop?
And I was turning around to pay.
Mm-hmm.
And
I hairy toes you got there, man.
Thanks.
Wait, show the picture of your phone here so I can show everybody what happened, what your toenail looked like. Yeah, there it is. So you totally lifted the nail up there and you pulled the side of it out, right? Look at that. Looks pretty painful.
I got a better one. There you go.
Okay, and so you were going to go ahead and just take the nail out, but your darling wife said don't.
Correct.
Why?
She was afraid that I might need stitches. Apparently her dad.
Oh, no, you don't know. So I'm going to give you permission to go ahead and pull it off.
Okay.
Think you can do it, though?
Yeah, I think I should. Just straight out, right?
I would, yeah.
Okay.
All right, don't say any bad words.
Not a lot.
Think you can get it?
I don't know if I have enough.
Let me see what it looks like. You know what I did when I had one like that? I just worked it side to side a little bit. Yeah. And that's still, you know, I think that's in there pretty well. Let me just tell I'll offer you some anesthetic. You know what I mean?
Now it's really loose, look at that.
Yeah, it's really loose on that one side. I think you can pull it off, really. I think you can do it.
All right, let me just man up. No pliers.
Kind of work it a little bit. There you go.
Oh, yeah, that left side.
Coming loose, coming loose. Come on, you can do it. Sometimes you just got to give it a big pull. You know what I mean? You got to grit it out, man.
Okay.
Now, just want to make sure everybody knows I'm offering you anesthesia, but you are declining. Oh, almost. I thought you had it right there.
The grip.
Oh. Come on. Oh, there it is. Come on. A little more.
Oh, it's so gross.
Oh, you got it, man. That is awesome.
Slow motion for you.
That's awesome. You know, I didn't really think you'd do it.
I told you I want to do it.
I'll tell you what, that takes a real man right there. Well, we're going to give you a special dressing and a lollipop on the way out because that was amazing. So, wow. Tell your darling wife thanks for telling you not to take that nail off so that we could watch you do it.
Here, say that to me again.
Hey, darling wife, thanks for telling him to not take the nail off so he could come do it here and we could watch him do it.
Told you.
You don't get to rehearse.
Do I say my name?
No.
Okay.
So tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
Hey, it's been great. Lots more energy. I was kind of in a slump and I wasn't working out, and I started the Meta 7. And I'm working out. I've got more energy. I don't want to nap or get that slump during like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
Wonderful. Do you feel jittery and shaky, any of that kind of experience?
Not at all. Not at all.
Feel natural.
Yes.
Terrific. Thanks for sharing.
Sure.
If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.